Hi, I'm Jennifer from Jennifer Farrell Designs and my handy assistant camper, and we're here at Calibu Vineyard. This is a 7,263 square foot, 19-room, modern Montauk inspired retreat. We're on 3.5 acres with a working vineyard here in the Santa Monica Mountains. Come on inside. We're stepping into the living room, which has soaring 20-foot ceilings, and all of the molding detail is original. By the fireplace, the hearth is surrounded with a basket weave tile. When you look above, you see that stunning John Richard chandelier. It truly is a magical piece that anchors the entire room. And I always want to have a sense of fun and play in any home I design, like our basket swing chairs that swing from our 20-foot ceilings overlooking the backyard. Also, our deer head on the wall. It's not exactly a real deer, but it does have a lot of fun. So I'm now in the tasting room and lounge. We grow our own Grenache here and make some pretty darn good wines. You'll see throughout the entire space that we've got lots of beautiful brushed gold fixtures, and then we've got the black cabinets that are in that beautiful matte finish, so it gives a richness without feeling too heavy. As we step into the other part of the lounge, we have a seating area here that is fabulous for gathering at the end of the day. So I've selected materials that are warm, very tactile, so everyone feels comfortable, especially when they're playing ping pong. This was a custom table that I designed to really invoke a bit of sparkle, and camper loves it. We're in my favorite room of Calibu Vineyard, the kitchen. The island is 19 feet long and wrapped in dolomite. But for me, this is really the star of the show. It is an apron-front fire clay handmade sink that is decorated with blue eucalyptus leaves and gold veins. And as you look out over the vineyard, it actually makes washing dishes a pleasure. This is the first home theater in my 22 years in business that I have ever designed. The walls are padded and then upholstered. We've got seating for 10 and a screen that is 120 inches. There is nothing more fun than kicking back and watching our favorite TV show in this room, like Open House. As we step into the primary suite, one of the biggest challenges was it is big. This entire area is 1,600 square feet. We have French doors that open to a Juliet balcony. Then as we move from the seating area into the main bedroom, we've done a couple special touches here, like adding these oversized pendants hanging above this floating bed. Having a canopy bed really makes this a three-dimensional space. We still have another seating area here. It's a great spot for morning coffee and to look out through those floor-to-ceiling windows over the backyard. We are here in Calibu Vineyard. So you can see the house now from its full effect of the board and batten siding. And the casita at the top of the vineyard was here when we bought it. Now it is our wine storage, where we can house up to 80 cases of wine. My favorite thing to do at the end of the night is to sit here at the dining table, enjoy a glass of wine, and watch the stars here in the Malibu Hills. Thanks so much for coming by Calibu Vineyard. Come on over anytime for a glass of wine.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best Open House has to offer.